If you've ever wondered how to open a Figma file, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to import a Figma file into your dashboard so you can access it and start working right away. Whether you're using Figma for the first time or just need a fast refresher, this simple method will get you there in a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Figma and make sure you're on the Figma dashboard or file browser page. This is the main area where your files, drafts, and team projects are displayed. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the file browser. You'll see an import icon, and that's the button you want to click. This import option is what lets you bring a file from your computer directly into Figma. After clicking the import icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Import from Computer. Now Figma will open your device's file picker, so go ahead and locate the file you want to upload. Choose your Figma file from your computer and confirm the selection. Depending on your system, you may need to click Open or Select to continue. Once the file is chosen, Figma will start the import process automatically. After that, click Done if you see the option on screen. This confirms the import and finalizes the process. In just a moment, your file will appear in the Figma dashboard ready for you to open and edit, and that's it. You've successfully opened a Figma file by importing it into your dashboard. It's a really simple process once you know where to look, and now you can access your design files much faster. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.